your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
Welcome to Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
If you like money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So today we're going to talk about Shiba Inu leading the week altcoin rally with a 57% increase. So you can see that Shiba Inu, of course, ended up among the weekly leaders of the rally on the altcoin markets. We are currently in altcoins, moving a bit out from Bitcoin, still waiting for Bitcoin to actually break its all-time high. So with Ethereum and Matic following in second and third place. Now, according to the data and coin market cap, Shiba Inu resulted in 7% increase in the last 7 days, while Matic has shown a 30% price increase, which puts it in second place, least among the most profitable assets with a capitalization over 10 billion in the last 7 days. So you can see actually a kind of a price spike. Of course, this is based on the 24 hours chart. So Ethereum, on the other hand, also could not surprise investors with a 50% growth, but still moved through the trading week with a 20% increase right after losing almost 30% since the middle of January losses, of course, now trades at January 17 levels. Now, as Shiba Inu, the meme token was able to recover all losses that traders have experienced in the last 30 days of holding Shiba Inu. The dog team token is now trading at 3rd of Jan level, or about 0.00032. The profitability of the token, according to the Into the block, has increased from approximately 30% to 50%. So rapid price increase was most likely tied to the fundamental growth of the project, previously announced the creation of Shiba's METAVERSE, the opening of its own fast food chain, and the release of other use cases. Very important thing here, guys, because although we are dealing with a meme coin, right now they are having use cases on the outside. So utility, another word for that. So as Matic and tokens are showing more impressive performance during the recover rally on the cryptocurrency market with a 34% growth. Previously, Matic lost the same 34% since its value in the beginning of January. So at the press time, Shiba Inu is trading at 32, less than a cent, right? Ethereum is consolidating at 3,214, and Matic is trying to remain above $2. The overall market sentiment still remains positive despite negative movements we observed in the last 2 days. So a few things. This is, of course, at LunarCrush. You can see right now they are correlation rank against Bitcoin. Of course, it's 3.7. Means they broke the middle ground. In terms of altcoin, they are also rated quite good across 3,530 and a Galaxy score of 69. But one important thing, while you see that these are all the social behaviors, right, social sentiment that actually help play a very key important role. I mean, compared to any other tokens that we have seen, we have proper use cases. Of course, this meme token is community driven, and now they are looking for sustainability by using use cases, right? So that means adoption through off-chain in terms of the retail outlets. So social volume, of course, has all declined. But look at this, guys, shared link. So currently is at 1.8. So if you ever watch videos like this and you are an owner of Shiba Inu, do share the links. I mean, doesn't matter. It could be us, like our videos, share other YouTubers who are talking about Shiba Inu, those tokens that you are holding, because that will actually help promote and not say really to shield the coin, but that's how all cryptocurrency works on a social community, people believing in the project, and of course later we get institutions coming in because they see the use cases and value proposition. So do share that forward. Looking at the chart, of course, right now you can see that right at the 0.002749, the red line, that was the highest time we have ever seen the volume. Based on the Bollinger, this is actually oversold right now, or overbought, and we are expecting the price to actually retrace back down. Volume has declined more from 40 trillion, but nice momentum moving up. As you can see in the MACD, the momentum is moving up. We didn't get the kind of price action we wanted to see, where it was at the 8,854. During this time, we are looking at the market cap close to about 41. I believe it was 41 41,000. Let me just check. So you can actually hit the market cap, go to 180. If you click here, is yes. So 41 billion dollars, right? So when you have a market cap of 41 billion dollars, basically for those who are new, market cap is actually based on the actual current supply times the price, or divide by the price, you will get the circulating supply. Will give you the market cap. So we always look at market cap as an indicator, because if the market cap ever come back to 41,000, we will see the Shiba Inu coin hitting its all-time high, breaking its all-time high. Two things that we also like to look is, although Shiba Inu has a great community run up, but they have not broke their all-time high. Sometimes we always try to look at leaders of the tokens that constantly break its all-time high and moving upwards as time progresses. So you can see that we had a so-called all-time high in May 17. We broke that. Now we had 6th of October, we broke that, and then now. So you can see that every time there's a very nice track record in terms of all-time high, means adoption is getting there. So that's all I have for Shiba Inu. Next news I have is a little bit about what is the metaverse, real estate, and what you should know before entering. So of course, metaverse is an online 3D virtual realm, right? And something that you can kind of have your own avatar character in augmented reality, and you use things like the Oculus VR headset to get into the metaverse. And we'll be looking into the metaverse in the next 10 years. Of course, myself and Manish, hopefully at some point of time, we'll go down to Dubai and maybe get ourselves kind of scanned into the metaverse via Meta Hero and have that in a kind of a storage, store in somewhere in the cloud, so that at some point of time, when I'm sure that the metaverse will be kind of a multiverse, right? So you have different, you have the Facebook, you have Engine, you have Gala. Later there'll be integration to all these chains and networks, and if you are scan your avatar, you can actually access this, and maybe, I don't know, buy their tokens so that you can have access, right? It's like going into a theme park. So of course, real estate in the metaverse is basically a virtual land property with NFT, and it's something that is trending right now. Will it be sustainable in the future? Who knows? No one can tell. But as of now, non-fungible tokens have been a while around, and people do make good money on NFT. But there's also cases where people don't make money. So you got to have a sense in terms of art, as well as understanding where the demand is for the particular NFT frenzy, right? So the difference, of course, with the virtual and physical real estate is the data in the metaverse, of course, is scarce, right? There's a central authority does not keep track of your ownership, right? There's no central authority. Basically, the lot size are restricted, right? So however, the platform size are not, meaning the land you own is certain limitation on that. But of course, in terms of the platform, they can basically become infinite, unless you're looking at Blocktopia, who modeled Bitcoin, and you can only purchase up to 21 million. So they kind of restrict that in terms of the supply and demand to model Bitcoin. Now, of course, the metaverse platform may shut down anytime, so that's a white flag there, risk. So you got to look at things like the sandbox, you got to look at Decentraland. Will they be there for a long time? So that is still yet to be seen. Limited set of rules govern the metaverse attributes, right? So there's a lot of spaces. Even businesses can be more efficiently designed without worrying about things like storage, restroom, square footage, social distance, and all that sort of nature. You stay in your room, wear the goggles, you get in, socialize, and sooner or later earn money in the metaverse, right? So the cost of building, of course, is really inexpensive, right? So the metaverse blockchain construction costs are far more lower than that you would ever own in a real world, right? There's no graphical boundaries to the metaverse. So as long as we have servers connected to the internet, and we can create multiple universe within the metaverse. So the advantage, of course, of a metaverse real estate, you got to look at things like well-known brands invading the metaverse, such as Nike. We have covered that a lot of time. We have also the NFT footwear. Metaverse has Nike shoes in it. So Nike has actually now took their physical goods and put them in the digital space, right? And you can some items can be sold as much as 4,100, price range from $1.20 to $9 per item. Metaverse also is being flooded with millions of dollars from developers, and this isn't a new phenomenon in the metaverse. This may be relatively new. It's almost similar to Second Life. If you guys have actually played that, I think sometime in 2006. So this is now taking a new wave of technology, and we are going to start to access that because of the current C19 that has changed uh, our behaviors and the way we have seen life. So the disadvantage, of course, in the metaverse real estate, the market for metaverse qualities are currently small. Okay, so keeping in mind that we are dealing with the metaverse real estate, most of this crucial thing is to remember that you accept that your market is tiny and that it may stay that way, much like developers who construct the mega mansions. So you lose all your money in the metaverse. Platform goes under, right? Chances are that the money will not be returned if the venture fails, right? From their metaverse wallet. Metaverse also isn't really good for real world for a variety of reasons. So walking about in the metaverse is easy to forget that it's your computer and electricity powered recreation of a real world. In contrast, the metaverse platform has cryptocurrency securities that fuel them, isn't doing nearly as much as to reduce the environmental footprint. Also, question you should ask yourself is, should you really invest in them? So of course, we are currently the early stage of the platform development, and it's impossible to tell whether it will be successful or a failure. To be sure, picking the next big platform may be a nice profit, but if you don't keep your eyes on things, you might quickly lose all your money. So to sum it up, executives in technology innovation must recognize, study, and follow emerging technologies to enable business leaders to build new products, alter their businesses, and manage any hazards. Now, taking into account the metaverse crypto coins' potential influence on strategic corporate innovation is a must. People will be able to duplicate and improve their physical activities via metaverse. Alternative, the actual world might be transformed into a virtual one or vice versa. So despite the fact that metaverse purpose is to merge any of these activities, there are several metaverses with a restricted set of capabilities. So that's all I have, guys. I'm going to hand over to Manish for the next segment. Do comment in the section below if you are in the metaverse, gaming NFT, what tokens do you recommend? Let us know in the comment section below.
Yeah. So today I'm going to cover about the best Solana play, the games, which by playing that games you can earn some NFTs. So guys, we all aware the success of XE Infinity is revolutionized the game industry. XE Infinity is play to earn crypto games, and every day millions of transactions volumes are happening in XE Infinity space. This clearly shows that the potential of game to earn games in the future. So play to earn games make money in multiple way on such way. Though in game purchase, play to earn refer to a game where the player can earn cryptocurrency rewards and can utilize those rewards for in game purchase to the further investment in the game to just cash out in their native fiat currencies. So most of the play to earn games, NFT games, are usually based on Ethereum blockchain, and with advent of fastest blockchain technology like Solana, a lot of disruptions is happening in the space of NFT, DeFi, and gaming. So every day, a lot of NFT projects is launching on a Solana ecosystems with the future roadmap of launching their own crypto games. So today we have some of the best games we have to cover. So I'm going to cover at least 5 games on a Solana blockchain where you can play and earn NFT. So as you can see now, I'm going to talk about Solchick. Solchicks is the leading play to earn NFT and play versus player game on Solana. Solchick is built around Solchick NFT collectibles, where players are Solchicks as their characters in a unique gaming metaverse. Solchicks has An exclusive partnership with leading venture capital and blockchain institutions ensured a broad scale and seamless experience. You can buy Solchick NFT on Solana marketplace like a Solana Art, SolC, Magic Eden. So these are the three major Solana network uh, NFT marketplaces where you can buy this and you can participate in play to earn. So players can earn chick tokens, earning in a game reward, which can be trained, breed, soul chick, and selling them into the marketplace by earning a soul coin. So Solchick has a long-term vision with excellent team members who have built many successful blockchain projects. They have a pretty solid roadmap with the excellent community on Twitter and Discord. So NFT purchase is required to play the game. You can follow Solchick on Twitter. It's more than 300k followers, and their Discord community is more than 252k members. Quite huge community. So the next game I'm going to talk about is let me put the URL in here so that you will see the website look and feel. Uh, Yeah, so the next one is Genopets. So Genopet is the world first move to earn NFT mobile RPG that rewards you for experiencing your body, mind, and spirit through digital. You can transform your physical movement and cognitive process into game progressions to upgrade and evolve into a Genopet NFT. You can customize your Genopet in a way that make it rare and valuable. In the battle arena, you can challenge other players through mini-based game. Genopet encourage a healthy living through experiencing with a financial and social reward through the non-fungible tokens. You can earn through selling your hard-earned Genopets NFT in the open marketplace. They have an excellent roadmap with cover banking, staking, fighting for the leaderboard, and quest and battle. You don't need to NFT to play the game. You can, and the followers on the Twitters, they have around 144k followers, and the Discord community is also quite big. It's 163 members. Okay, so the next game, play to earn game, what I have is in the Solana network is startatlas.com. So, Star Atlas is a virtual gaming play to earn metaverse based in the year 20 sorry 2620 means it's taking you to a future ahead. The first year of this mini game is out right now, and building a AAA game would really take a few years from now. So a Star Atlas is built on Solana blockchain, and they have an in-game currency within Star Atlas called Atlas, which is based on the overall growth of the game economy. Polis is the governance tokens used to each level of governance representing financial stake in the game, voting power in the DAO, and it is fixed supply that won't grow. So, a Star Atlas has a pretty solid roadmap and with a great community and early adopters for the games. You can start playing Star Atlas without any crypto or NFT, and you can get a reward as an NFT. Okay, genre it's DeFi MMO space, and follow them on a Twitter with 305k followers. Join their Discord community with 160k uh, members. Okay, so the next game I have it in my list is Space Falcon. Look at their websites, guys. My God, they are onto a different level. Space Falcon is a uh, science fiction's NFT based play to earn metaverse game powered by Solana blockchain. Space Falcon is invested by a Solana eco fund, Maven Capital, and partners with Solana, Ridium, Metaplex, and Sona Watch. So FCON is the token that governs inside the space of Falcon. You can buy FCON in Radium. You can buy Falcon NFT on a Magic DN. I think Magic DN is the NFT marketplace. I think I have covered a lot about this. You can start playing the game freely, and they are planning to launch on both Android and iOS. Follow them on the Twitter. They have around 231K followers, and Discord communities around 130K. Last but not the least, uh, I'm going to cover today. I think hope you will be aware of this Project Seed. So, Project Seed aimed to change the mobile game industry to a whole new level by implementing a blockchain technology and play to earn. So, Project Seed is developed by a creative team of gifted artists, talented designer, and top-notch game developer. They have in-game assets including Zeds, weapons, accessory that are minted as in tradable NFTs. So Shield tokens, which helps users to participate in the project's governance and decision making process, APR of the staking rewards, and much more. Project Seed is a mobile based game that is available on both Android and Apple. So you can follow the Twitter. They have around 160K followers, and join their Discord community, which is quite huge, guys. It's 19,000 members in just Discord group. So I think initially when this project was launched, we have also covered this, and during that time, yeah, some some informations which we come across, we have shared it in our tokenomics and other details. So these are the games I think you can play and earn NFTs and get some rewards. So that's all I have it for today. And moving on to the market side of thing, handing
Okay,
over to Wayne.
let's check out what's happening over the market. So, crypto, we have finally crossed 50 neutral in terms of the fear and greed index. I'm waiting to actually get back the confidence to see we move back into the 70 and 80 for a couple of months before the cycle continues again, guys. So as you can see, we are climbing back. We still have another few more percentage before we hit that level where there's certain confidence in the thing, and this is the time where you should be preparing for winter again, right? So nothing stays up forever and nothing stays down forever. So you always got to constantly reposition your portfolio, like what we do in root zones, always finding the best possible coins, preparing for winter. And then when winter hits, guys, when it hits and you have the cash, you actually catch cash back more than you ever would as we start to rally up. So don't never allow your emotions to rule you, where you start to fear of missing out and then you start to pump in buying at a very high price, and then later regretting when the market comes down, right? So of course today seems to be a very good day. Mixed bag, of course. We have green and red at the same time. Top 10 coins, of course, Theta is right now in the LunarCrush coin of the day. If you're new to this channel, we actually placed the link. You can go and join LunarCrush for free. And the top coins, of course, is Tether. We have Bonafide, Secret, Ethereum Classic, Credo, Carbada, Elron, Telcoin, Crypto.com, and Chilis, right? So top 10 coins in the last
Chili's.
24
Yeah.
hours. We have 17,000 crypto, so always finding the best cryptos takes time, guys, but you cannot go wrong in the top 30 if you really do a bit of research and start to do dollar cost average. We have 450 exchanges, $2 trillion market cap, so hopefully we get back to the height of 3 trillion and beyond that. So any coins you buy, generally you look like a star, right? So patience is the name of the game. You got to be in for the long haul, and there's only three different ways. You either invest through dollar cost average, gamble for those tokens that are almost operating like a Ponzi scheme but has good community coming in and shilling the coins. And you have trading, right? So we do a lot of trading, looking at charts to determine the best buy entry and as well as exit. So of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum takes about 60% of the market. place. We have Bitcoin right now in the last 24 hours is up by 2.67, Ethereum 1.78, BNB up by 0.96, XRP slightly down by 1.83, Cardano 0.19, Solana down by 1.73, Terra Luna down by 0.30, and Avalanche amazingly back in top place of 10, pushing Polkadot down its path and at 91. So of course, right now, if you are using RoyalQ, for those who are following us on the channel, we are actually doing on what is this, Coinbase Pro, Avalanche. We are doing Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Solana. Just 4 coins, guys, 4 coins, because as we move into the market, there will be volatility, and let the robot work for you. So do check that out. We have the videos all over the YouTube channel. So let's see what's happening over at a few things. We always just check the VIX index, because this indicator actually let me know what's happening over at the US stock market. If there's something that happens, especially Evergrande, guys, coming up in March, you got to be very careful. The recent fight with Russia, now Russia is saying that it's legal. We have India saying it's legal with a certain 30% tax. Thailand is also maybe okay to accept cryptocurrency without taxation. Myanmar is looking for ways, either they might move into a CBDC.
Apple Pay also coming.
Yeah, so
Direct.
looking at all of that, right now we just keep eyes on the fear of the stock, because that has a correlation to the crypto space, right? And especially we have the interest rates, and what have you. So that is still lurking, but it doesn't stop investors from actually coming in. Next up, also we had the SP 500. So of course, SP 500, we covered this a while back. Now we are recovering back, guys. Of course, Facebook was the biggest loser. Right now we are just up by 8.6, so market is being restored back at the SP 500, but still bearish outlook, as we Wall Street can't keep holding on to fiat money, because it's decaying due to inflation, so they have to find ways to actually get back into the market and invest, right? So the Dixie, of course, shows the US dollars is actually dropping right now, stabilizing at $95. Of course, we have gold, US oil 91. We have gold climbing up also. So as you start to see gold climbing up to its all-time high at 1916, it's an indicator that people are actually preparing for a safe haven. So these are few indicators that you just need to keep eyes to know what's happening, so that you can start to prepare your cash reserve, because when the market falls, then that's where you go in and buy some of the favorite metaverse coins like Sand, Galaxy, Mana, right? We have Hero, Block, and many more. So looking at the total market cap right now, very nice, climbing in. As you can see, this is actually showing the buy and sell total volume. The rate, of course, is the peak of the volume, which means that another few more percent will the order books actually shows that we are climbing. This one takes sometimes, guys. Sometimes I click too fast, right? So another 12 more percent, we will hit this portion of the total crypto. But of course, 50% goes back into Bitcoin. Right now, we will hit the resistance at 46,000. Normally, we look at Bitcoin as an indicator, because if Bitcoin break its all-time high, the rest of the crypto market follows, and that's where you start to take profits over the top. So hopefully we break through the 46,000. Looks very bullish right now. Of course, it's overbought. You can see, the RSI now is above 80. Money index shows that money is coming in. Volume is pumping up, and you can see very large momentum in terms of the MACD is coming up, and also on the Bollinger is the blue line. You can see that we are actually pushing the boundaries. Now, will we be supported at the 46,000? Potentially, yes. But again, I'll keep eyes on the fear index, because when that hits a certain height, I will start to retract back and retrace and repositions and prepare for winter, right? So that's how we roll. Looking also at the total rest of the market right now, some of the 30 days and 90 days, you can see they are still red, but very nice to see green across certain coins like AVAX, SAN, BTC, KDA also. So we are getting back there. We are restoring back. So, keep doing dollar cost average for those coins. Again, it's not financial advice, just raising awareness. So don't go in big bang, because some of these coins have not even broken their 30 and 90 days. There were a point of time where I remember coming to Lifecoin, where we kept eyes on some of the tokens that we are interested in. Everything was green, guys. Everything was green. I think that was the amazing time. Don't be fooled also by this. Time Wonderland right now is 1,005. I actually just checked this. This is actually Time Wonderland is like 384 a minute. I thought that actually 5x and I missed the boat because we actually dumped Time Wonderland. I haven't really checked into it, guys. I don't know what Daniel is planning to do with Time Wonderland. Seems like some people want him to be part of the treasury or maybe a chief strategist, and then of course people still want to keep him on the team. They're trying to restore back confidence. People still believe in him. For me, I don't know what to believe. We talk about KYC. We had great coins like Titano who don't even reveal their identity, and yet they are doing well. And then we have on the other side a DAO which we believe in. Daniel, right, showed his face on AVEX in September, and then harbored certain people, right, that has certain criminal record, but no pun intended. Of course, he might have changed his name for a simple reason to start off a new leaf, but the past has caught up with him. So I might just half and half, 50-50. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. So with that, of course, we have 500 over videos, another 500 to go on interviews, how-tos, crypto trends, tokenomics, NFTs, and blockchain. And you can always find us active with our community in the Telegram group. So we'll see you there. And I'm going to hand over to Manish for the tweet of the day.
So there is a tweet coming from Titano. They've been listed in CoinMarketCap and they are excited about it and they are doing well from past couple of months. We have also invested heavily in these projects and see how and where we are landing to. So with that, that's all we have it for today, and see you guys tomorrow. Weekend is coming. Hopefully some how-to videos will be out this weekend, and see you tomorrow.
Take care, guys.
Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you